sa maning president nato. Wow, let me say this for 100 times. I do not recognize the jurisdiction of ICC in the Philippines. I do not find I consider it as a great to our sovereignty. Therefore, the Philippine government will lift a finger to help in investigation that ICC conduct. Wow, tingnan natin yung reaction. Comments. Yan yung comments, guys. Lahat hindi na naniniwala. The darkest place in hell are reserved for those who maintain their naturality in times of moral crisis. President Bongbong, you really expect the wise Filipinos to believe that? Oh, come on. This is clear example of how politician decisions can contradict previous statement. If the ICC was once deemed a threat to sovereignty, we have a weak leader. PRRD will not be, as if you did not allow Pontus, blood of Judas, cause of glorifies addicts rather than protecting the rights of their victims. Only in the Philippines. No explanation needed to Marcos again. It's too late for you to say that BBM, the ICC have the jurisdiction of the Philippines, particular. It is possible it was your order to PNP, Interpol. This president just divided us all. Was once those who voted to say that I'm sorry for myself. Grabe, guys. Wala nang naniniwala sa kanya. Tingnan natin yung reaction. Ayan. 13,000 sa JME ito, guys. 13,000 natatawa. 9,000 galit. 2,000 yung okay sa reaction. So, guys, dito pa lang malalaman natin lahat, halos lahat natatawa, halos lahat galit. Makikita natin na talagang wala nang naniniwala. Ayan. Impeachment before election, walang interpretation kung walang ICC instruction. Grabe.